Hello, it's Technology Central here, and welcome to our latest Excel tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to use freeze panes. Freeze panes allow you to keep some parts of your spreadsheet on screen as you scroll horizontally or vertically. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to set a horizontal, a vertical, and both a horizontal and vertical freeze pane, and then how to remove them. Let's get started with a horizontal freeze pane. We want to keep these top two rows visible as we scroll down in our spreadsheet. To do that, select the row number 3. This is the row directly below the cells that you want to keep visible. Then come to View on the ribbon. Then come across to Freeze Panes and click Freeze Panes. Now, as we scroll, the top two rows remain visible. To remove the freeze pane, come to Freeze Panes and click Unfreeze Panes. Now your spreadsheet is back to normal. We're also going to show you how to keep a horizontal section of data visible. In our example, we want to keep all of our employee data visible as we scroll through our sales data horizontally. To do that, select the column to the right of the data you want to keep visible. In our case, that's column D. Then come to Freeze Panes and click Freeze Panes. Now, as we scroll across through our sales data, you can see that those first 3 columns remain visible. To remove this, again come to Freeze Panes and click Unfreeze Panes. Finally, we're going to show you how to keep both the top 2 rows visible when you're scrolling vertically, and these first 3 columns visible as we're scrolling horizontally. To do that, you need to select a specific cell. That cell should be directly below the rows you want to keep visible, and directly to the right of the columns you want to keep visible. We want the first 2 rows, so our cell needs to be in row 3. And we want the first 3 columns, so our cell must be in the 4th column. That means we select D3 here. Then come to Freeze Panes and click Freeze Panes. Now, when we scroll vertically, we keep those top 2 rows, and when we scroll horizontally, we keep our employee data. That's all we've got to show you in this tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If you have, leave us a like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. I hope to see you again soon in another one of our Excel tutorials. But for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.